Somebody was telling me Shreya must have taken a lot of strong sambar and rasam.
Why not appams and
Yeah, I will come to
stews?
that. I know you have stolen somebody from Kerala to prepare appam there.
I love Kerala food.
Being a Bengali, I mean, you would take a lot of fish also?
Yes, we are fish lovers.
Hilsa?
Hilsa, and those are all river fish which you will probably not
No,
like.
we have also started taking that. We also have got a lot of backwater fishes here. Like
so
pelpet, karimeen we call it.
That is river fish, is
River
it?
fish.
Acha.
Yeah. Didn't anybody give you that?
I had some
Next time
fish,
when you land in Trivandrum.
oily I had. Is
Okay.
that the same? It's
No,
not the
it's a
same,
different
no?
thing. Yeah.
So that was, I think, sea fish.
This the Chandu Tottile, that Banaras song, I mean, that made your voice so enchanting to the average Malayali music lover. Did you ever think that you see that Chandu Tottile means that's, I mean, even the meaning also is more or less same. What was your experience? Did you think that you could be successful in Malayalam?
Well, I knew that the song is going to be successful, and that's precisely because the song was so pretty, so beautifully composed, and I did not know whether I would do well, and I never think that once it's released whether I'll be accepted, criticized, what it would be. But in the studios, I enjoyed singing both the songs of Banaras. In fact, the second one, Mathuram Gaiti Meera, I took a little more time I said, Jayachandran ji, give me the song. I'll go home, I'll listen to it, prepare and come back. Because that one I felt was, with the diction, little more difficult. But he really supported.
Shall we have that song, that Chandu Tottile?
Priyanoral innu vannuvo ende jalagatile ratramaina kaadil mooliyo Chandu Tottile nee chandanam tottille കാറ്റ് ചിന്നിയ ചാട്ടൽ മഴ ചിലങ്ക കെട്ടിയിലേ ചാന്ത് തൊട്ടില്ലേ നീ ചന്ദനം തൊട്ടില്ലേ കാറ്റ് ചിന്നിയ ചാട്ടൽ മഴ ചിലങ്ക കെട്ടിയിലേ ചാന്ത് തൊട്ടില്ലേ നീ ചന്ദനം തൊട്ടില്ലേ.
Shreya, which is the Malayalam word which is not that amenable to you?
All of them.
Can you say Ra?
I can say Ra because that's in Tamil also. Tamil has the Ra.
Which is that
what
word?
Is, it's like Nyan.
Nyan, yeah. You have some diction practice back in Bombay, because I heard that you have got a company of Malayalis also there.
A lot of friends I have, but nobody knows how to speak Malayalam. They are all very, if I ask them for help and I say that, can you check if I'm saying it right? What are the words? We don't understand. Because they are corrupted.
They must have lost touch of Malayalam.
They're corrupt Malayalis. They don't know Malayalam that well. They're Hindi speaking.
You need to bring a couple of them here when you are coming to.
I'll come. Actually, now they ask me, teach us.
That one song in that Anwar, no? That Kalbiliti.
Yes.
I mean, you have that song here?
Yeah, I have it. I mostly remember those things, but
you can't take a chance.
I get scared if I forget something. കിഴക്കു പൂക്കും മുറിക്കിനെന്തൊരു ചൊക ചൊകപ്പാണേ പുതുക്ക പെണ്ണിൻ കവിളിലെന്തൊരു തുടുതുടുപ്പാണേ എനിക്കും നെഞ്ചിൻ കരിക്കുമായി പറന്നു വന്നൊരു മാരൻ തുടിക്കും കണ്ണിൽ കനവുമായി തിരഞ്ഞു വന്നൊരു തോഴൻ കൽവിലെത്തി 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 കൽവിലെത്തി.
Shreya Ghoshal, I mean, being a star in the Bollywood, is slightly difficult to be afforded in Kerala film industry.
Oh yeah. Well, that's. But I always make sure that similar thing is in Bengal also. Budgets are a little not equal in every.
I won't ask you what you charge here anyway.
Thank you. But I always make exceptions when.
What is the discount? 50%, 100%?
See, music can't be talked like that. I think it's unfair to talk. But Whenever the situations are like that, in fact, I've so many times not taken payments when I have felt that there is a problem with budget, and it's a great work of art. Something good is happening. There is some music director who is new, trying to make an effort. They have so many times just a token payment. I've
Shreya ji, I
taken.
would appreciate you on record, because you see, I mean, for the sake of good music, even you can discard your charge.
At times, yes, I've
At
done
times
it.
you do it.
Yes.
That's great. I think it would be a great information for the Malayalam film industry. But you should not trouble your on and off. I mean, discarding the charge is an exception, not a rule.
Yeah. No, well, that is, see, according to me, and what I have learned from my seniors, that remuneration is basically a mark of respect. So, there is also a trend in the industries who exploit musicians a lot. Not here, I'm saying, but generally in Hindi film industry, a lot of times the musicians, music director, singers mostly are not even paid, and there are many such cases that I've not got payments, I've not asked for it because I feel very uncomfortable asking for it.
Who manages Shreya,
So-
mom or dad?
I myself.
Myself.
When it comes to my song recordings, I don't manage
Pass on the money to mom or father?
both.
Both.
I don't look at that. I'm very bad at counting also.